Hello, good evening to you all. Myself Arpita Pandey as a teacher of Sunbeam Government School, Buxar. My dear children, today I am present here. What we have to do book work. So students, before starting the book work, I would like to remind you that just you have to use only pencil in your book, because you don't have to use pen, because we have to do book work only with the help of pencil. Pen is not allowed to do book work. So let's start the topic. Take the correct option for each of the what given sentences. It means here optional type answer is given. You have to select the correct answer. What will be the correct answer? You have to write the correct answer. You don't have to write, only you have to tick the correct option. So the first question is here, the number of state that India has. It means how many state our India has. So 4 option is given: 27, 25 and 28. So what will be the right answer? 27, 25, 28 or 29. So 29 will be the right answer. So everyone what take the correct option. It means 29 will be the right answer. Okay, now second question. The number of physical division into which India is divided into the what basis of physical feature. It means the number of physical division. It means how many division our India is divided. So here it is also given how many option. What? 4, 5, 8 and 7. So what will be the right answer? 5 will be the right answer. So tick the correct answer of number 5. So the first A answer D and second answer B. Is it clear? Okay students, now come to the next page number. So page number what? This page number is 20. What? 20. And in this page number we have to do fill in the blanks. Chapter is what? 2. Book work of chapter 2. And the top, which is the page number? 20. So first question is here, the Himalayas are dash in the east and dash in the west. Here it is given 2 blanks and you have to write the correct answer in this bracket. It means you have to choose the correct option from those brackets that is given here and you have to write here the right answer. So the Himalayas are narrower in the east and broader in the west. Here it is given 2 options. So Himalayas are what? So here will be the correct option, narrower in the east and broader in the west. Second question is here, who was the first Indian woman to have climbed Mount Everest? Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? So what? Bachendri. Here it is given 2 options. Just you see, Bachendri Pal and Santosh Yadav. So who was the first Indian woman? Just here this question is asking about women. What? Yeah, male or female? It means what? Female. So who was the first Indian woman to have a climb Mount Everest? The right answer will be the Bachendri Pal. So you have to write here. Only I have done here what? Tick. But you have to write the option also here with your pencil. It means you have to write the name Bachendri Pal here. Was the first Indian woman to have climbed Mount Everest. Now third point. The highest peak of the Himalayas in India is what? Mount Everest, K2, Kanchenjunga. What will be the right option? So students, just you can see here what 3 option is given. Mount Everest, K2 and Kanchenjunga. Just see. So which will be the right answer? K2. It means this point is the right answer. It means what? The highest peak of the Himalayas in India is what? Yes, this one. Now come to the third point. Last number 4. The southernmost Himalayas range is called. What it is called? Greater Himalayas called or Shivalik range? Greater Himalayas or Shivalik range? So the question is what? Just read the question carefully. The southernmost, not northern. The southernmost of Himalayas range is called what? So the right answer will be what? Greater Himalayas. Okay students, now this page number is completed. Now come to the next point, and this page number is what? 25. Which page number? 25. So it is also optional type question answer, not question answer, book work. So choose the correct option that has matches with the sentences. It means here it is also given different type of option and you have to what? Choose the correct answer and you have to take the right answer. So the first question is what? Northern plain are also known as. It means By which other name we know Northern Plain? So right answer will be what? Just you can see here 4 option is given: Indo-Gangetic Plains, Satluj Plains, Northern Plainian Plains, or D number Western. So what will be the right answer? The first A. It means first A is the right answer. Second is Bhakra Nangal Dam is situated where? Indus Basin, Ganga, Satluj, or this one? So 2 is the right answer of this B number. What? B number. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज हियर द गंगा एक्शन प्लान इज अबाउट, यानी कि जो गंगा एक्शन प्लान हम लोगों ने बनाया है वो किसके लिए प्लान बनाया हुआ है? व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? इट मीन्स विच विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? सो द टॉपिक इज व्हाट? 4 ऑप्शन इज गिवन हियर. यूजिंग द गंगा वाटर फॉर इरीगेशन, इट मीन्स इरीगेशन पर्पस के लिए हम लोग गंगा को यूज़ करते हैं. फर्स्ट होगा ये जो गंगा एक्शन प्लान बना हुआ है इरीगेशन पर्पस के लिए किया गया है. क्लीनिंग द गंगा रिवर, ये गंगा की सफाई के लिए किया गया है. और सी ऑप्शन इज रिड्यूसिंग इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट इन गंगा रिवर, कि जो इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट, जो इंडस्ट्री से वेस्ट आते हैं उसको कम करने के लिए किया गया है. और द फोर्थ लास्ट ऑप्शन इज व्हाट? मेकिंग कैनाल फ्रॉम द गंगा रिवर. सो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? The Ganga action plan is about to cleaning the Ganga river. So the right answer is cleaning the Ganga river. Now it's clear. First option A, second option B, and third option B. It's clear? Okay. Now the last one here. Fill in the blanks with suitable word given in the bracket. What? You have to fill in the blanks with the suitable words given in the brackets. So just you can see here. First fill in the blanks is what? The Northern Plain lies to the of dash of the northern mountain. It means here it is given 2 option, north or south. So what is the right answer? North or south? So you have to write here the Northern Plain lies to the north of the northern mountain. What? North. And the second question is what? Punjab and Haryana are the 2 major states of which basin? The right answer is Satluj. Which one? Satluj. Now the next point, it means now come to the next page number. This page number is what? Just you can see here page number 26. Which page number? Page number 26. And 3 questions are left. So third question is what? Dash glacier is the source of river Ganga. What? Dash glacier is the source of river Ganga. So 2 option is given here, Gangotri or this one. So what is the right answer? Gangotri glacier is the source of the river Ganga. Which one? Gangotri glacier is the source of river Ganga. Now the 4th point here. Dash and dash soil deposited by a river is called. So you have to write what? Alluvial. It means as we know that this option will be not correct. Sediment it can't be seen here. We have to write here what? Alluvial soil. And the last option, that's very easy, as we know that which is the main tributary of Satluj river. What you have to write here? What children? Just you know it is very simple. You can write here. So you have to do this answer for your. I am giving this question that you have to do it yourself. Is the main tributary of the Satluj river. Which will be the right answer? If you know the answer, then you have to write the answer in the comment box. What? You have to write this answer in the comment box. Which is the main tributary of the Satluj river? You have to write in comment box. Yeah, you may write here. Now the next page number, come to the page number 3030. Okay children, tick the correct option. It means what? This optional question answer you have to do. It means the Thar desert occupies an area about how many square? You can just see here. Once 10s 100,000. Yeah, how many? 250. What here? 250. It means square kilometer. This is the right answer. Small hills of sand, यानी कि छोटे छोटे हिल्स बने होते हैं सैंड में, डेजर्ट एरिया में, हम लोग उसको क्या बोलते हैं? What we say? What children? We say sand dunes, because as we know that small hills of sands are called sand dunes. So it's very simple answer. The small hills of sand in a desert are called sand dunes. Now the last answer here. I have only what? Tick the correct answer, but you have to also write this answer in this box. You have to fill in the box. You have to fill this box. So what is the first question? The western desert is called which desert? Sahara or Thar? So what you have to write, this option you have to write here. This answer is the right answer. This desert lies in the part of Rajasthan. Which western part of Rajasthan? The western desert is mostly as a which plain, sandy, and we know that the region experiences type of climate is what? Which type of climate? Extreme climate. So the first option 1B, and the fill in the blanks, this option what? The western, sandy and extreme. Okay friends, just do revision at your home, do book work. That's all. Thank you and have a grateful day. And again I will just start the next video and we will start the next chapter. Okay friends, good night, goodbye.